Well, I knew I got too good of a deal. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and I'm waiting on a tow truck. The very cheap Copart Chevy Malibu has shit the bed. The car just rolled 44,000 miles earlier today. I've been driving it off and on. I had the BMW out, went to go get his oil change, and I was like, you know what? Let me run the Chevy around, and I was going to take it out and get some good shots, like out near Summerlin or out near, Red Rock. Get some scenic shots with the car. And negative. Absolutely negative. Not happening. I'm sitting here, and it won't start. So a couple different things. I haven't had a brake light, but now there's a check engine light and a brake light. There's no issues with the brakes. The parking brake isn't on. So I'm like, okay, whatever. Cool beans. Let's see if she fires up. Hit it to go to start, and it goes into shift into park. But the car is in park, and it doesn't matter. And then it will do this, where it'll just be dead. I can't hold it. I can't do anything. It won't start, foot on the brake, nothing. Then the check engine light and stuff will go away, and then I'll let it sit for like 20 seconds, and then it will do it again. Now, it's funny, the display is up, it's working, no issues there. But then it will go through the same process again, and it will give me the, after I let it sit for like 2 or 3 minutes like I just did, and come back, it'll get to here, and we go back to the same process with the check engine light, the brake light, and then it will tell me, shift it to park again. Or now it's not even telling me that. Wow. Now the whole thing is just, Well, I think she's dead. I think she's dead. Well, there we go. That Chevy quality, that great Chevy quality right there, boy. Wow.
Chevy Malibu.
This car is a Chevy?
No way. No. It's a Chevy.
Really? All you guys are surprised it's a Chevy Malibu? I tell you what, you know what, Gary? I hate you. I've been telling you the whole time it was a Malibu. And now you're the surprised one?
Well, it looks like we're going to be sitting here for a while. And I think Mock was right. Chevy sucks. Straight garbage. And I got nothing. Nothing. Unbelievable. But it is what it is, man. Luckily for me, I got roadside assistance. I'll have a tow truck out here. They'll tow it to a dealer. They're going to tell me what's wrong with it. It's probably going to be more than I paid for the car. And I'm just going to figure out how to get it running and run this thing immediately back through the auction. I'm done. I've had people hit me up. That wanted to buy this car. I can't sell it to you. I can't do it. I'm not Carvana. I can't sell you a lemon. Because this one right here, I don't know if it may have been a flood car or what, and maybe that's why they let it go. I don't know. I have no idea, but yeah. She's dead in the water as we speak, so yay! Anyways, the trolls will rejoice, but don't rejoice too much. It's going to go on a tow truck and go to a dealer, and I'm going to go home and jump into my nice BMW, so I don't care. And, these videos that I've done on the Malibu more than likely will end up paying for the car. So how does that make you feel, trolls? That said, you guys have been waiting on a video for me to talk about a certain situation, and I will probably be getting into that via live stream later this evening for you guys. So after you see this, there might be another live stream later tonight, and we'll talk about some different stuff. Probably won't be the best video or picture quality, but we're going to get into some stuff so you guys can get an idea of what's going on and know where I stand. But yeah, craziness, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I guess I learned my lesson. I thought I had the deal of the century, and I ended up getting a dead car. Yep. Well, major shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Coinbase. Link is in the description down below. Go tap in with them and get you some free Bitcoin and some other cryptos for free. Somewhere around 35 to 40 bucks, basically in free money, just to sign up. Link in the description down below. Anyways, guys, till next time, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.